Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your iPhone is on iOS 26 and signed into iCloud because the update is pushed through your paired device. Once done, place the Airpods in the case and plug the case into power. Make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are on, and keep the iPhone unlocked and within a few feet of the charging case. This proximity allows the firmware transfer to initiate automatically. Do not try manual installs. Apple uses the paired iPhone to deliver the update. You now allow the automatic process to run. With the case open and the AirPods charging, keep the iPhone awake and nearby for roughly 10 to 20 minutes because updates often require uninterrupted communication. Once initiated, the firmware is streamed from iOS 26 to the AirPods. You might notice a short disconnect and reconnect. That's normal. To confirm progress, check Settings, tap Bluetooth, then the AirPods info to view the firmware number. Make sure not to interrupt charging or Bluetooth until the number changes. You finish by verifying the firmware increment in Settings and testing audio features to ensure the update applied correctly. If the firmware doesn't change, reset the AirPods. Open the case, hold the Setup button until the light flashes amber and then white, then repair to your iPhone. If issues persist, restart the iPhone, try a different charger or cable, and repeat the proximity/charging step. That fix resolves most problems. As a last resort, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.